Picture this, your garden, glowing with warm golds, soft burgundies, and deep amber tones. The air feels crisp, calm, and cozy, the kind of space that makes you want to just sit, breathe, and escape the world for a while. Maple Leaf, welcome to Relaxed Gardens, your little corner of peace and inspiration. Herb, if you love the idea of turning ordinary spaces into relaxing, nature-filled retreats, then you're in the right place. Sparkle, so before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and comment below what kind of garden vibe you dream about, rustic, cozy, or elegant. Because here, we believe every garden, no matter how small, has the power to bring calm, beauty, and balance into your life. Today's video is all about cozy fall flower combinations that can completely transform your space into a warm, inviting escape. Whether you have a small front yard, a balcony, or just a few pots by your door, I'll show you how to use simple color combinations and natural textures to create pure autumn magic. Fallen leaf. So grab your tea, take a deep breath, and let's bring your fall garden to life. a season of calm, and your garden should reflect that. Start with warm tones, soft oranges, golden yellows, creamy whites, and touches of deep purple or rust red. These shades blend beautifully to create that relaxed, vintage charm that feels like a painting come to life. Mix in flowers like mums, asters, and pansies. Pair with little greenery for contrast. And don't worry about perfection. Fall gardens are meant to look effortless and cozy. Add a few rustic touches. Maybe a wooden crate planter, a weathered metal pot, or even woven baskets for that farmhouse feel. If you have limited space, go vertical. Use shelves, hanging pots, or steps to layer your colors. Each level adds depth and warmth to your garden. And when the sun sets, let your garden glow. A few soft lanterns or warm fairy lights can make your cozy corner feel absolutely magical. Imagine sitting there, a cup of tea in hand, gentle light bouncing off golden petals, and realizing you created this little piece of peace. If this video helped you imagine your dream fall garden, then imagine what we can create together. Herb. Here at Relax Gardens, every video is designed to inspire, calm, and bring you closer to nature. So, if you love peaceful garden design ideas, cozy seasonal transformations, and beautiful backyard makeovers, now is the perfect time to subscribe. Join our growing community of garden lovers who believe in creating beauty one bloom at a time. Cherry Blossom. Don't forget to like this video if it gave you ideas for your next garden project, and comment below, what's your favorite fall flower combo? I read every comment and love hearing your ideas. Until next time, keep nurturing your space, keep dreaming with nature, and keep creating your own version of peace. Maple Leaf, you've been watching Relax Gardens, where every seed you plant grows into a moment of calm.